Thanks for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. What I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be making some honey garlic chicken. This chicken was inspired by a website by the name of Rasa Malaysia.com. I'm going to leave a link to her website in the description, as well as my ingredients and amounts that we're going to be using for this recipe. Now, as far as the ingredients go, and I'm just going to kind of add them as we go along, we're going to be using a little bit of honey. And this is going to be for our sauce right here. And we're just going to kind of eyeball it. But like I said, I will have what her ingredients were in the description. We have some soy sauce, brown sugar, and some chicken stock. And some, this is my twist on it right here, some ginger. And we're going to stir this up and make sure that it's good to go. In the meantime, probably should have had this going first. I'm going to turn my pressure cooker on our saute function because we're going to be browning off our chicken here in a little bit. One ingredient that I did forget to mention we're going to be adding is another little optional ingredient that I improvised on that she had. She was using like some cayenne pepper. I'm using some Thai chili flakes. And I still have some garlic sitting out over here. We're going to add this to our chicken during that toasting process. Now, one thing I didn't mention earlier is I do already have my chicken seasoned with just salt and pepper. Now, the chicken I'm using bone in with the skin. If you don't like skin, go ahead and leave the skin out. And you could obviously debone this yourself or buy the boneless as well. Our first step, I'm going to take our chicken, fat side down or skin side down, and we're going to sear it off. I have about 3/4 of a tablespoon of vegetable oil in here, which is going to help us brown it. So this took us closer to 10 minutes to get brown the way I wanted. We're going to flip it. And I'm going to let this side go for about another 10 minutes. So we've let it go 10 minutes on that side. Now I'm going to throw in our garlic and stir that in. We just want to slightly brown it. And that should only take about 30 seconds. So our garlic's starting to get nice and toasted. We're going to add our sauce to it now. And we're going to put it under pressure for 10 minutes. I'm going to go 12 minutes just to be safe. Now once this is all pressurized up, it's going to start its countdown from then. So it might take about 17-20 minutes total for it to get pressurized and cooked. See you back when it's done. So our timer just went off. That's 12 minutes. And we are just going to let this depressurize rapidly. So that should take about 4 or 5 minutes. When that's done, hit it up with a little bit of cilantro, and that's a wrap. So that's what it looked like all plated up. Now there's no simple way for me to get into this and not look extra messy while I'm doing it. So I already have a little piece of this cut off. So I have a piece of the some skin and some thigh meat. That is tasty. You know what? I could almost see that with pork just as good as this. If you're looking for a nice, easy pressure cooker, Instant Pot recipe, Give this a try. Can't go wrong with it. I think we're going to have this with a little bit of rice, something like that. Should be good to go. Anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. I appreciate it. Comment, subscribe. I'm out.